Switch Life Garage, back at it. Finally guys, the Prelude is ready for daily driving. Mechanically everything works. AC, cruise control, all maintenance has been taken care of. Transmission oil, engine oil. So one little last thing I want to do before it gets on the road is put HIDs. If you guys seen my previous video, all the interior lights, all the exterior lights except the headlights have been changed to LED, and the LED has like a cool blue tint to it. So I do want to do the low beams on the headlights to HID. Here in this box I did purchase some HIDs from HID Nation. These bulbs right here are the 9006 bulbs, and I did choose the 6000K. These are only the 35 watt, but I did also choose the AC slim ballast. Here's the ballast right here, as you could tell, slim, and then it does say AC. So like most HID system, this is just plug and play. I'll show you guys right now. I'll put one together and then we'll install it onto the car. So real easily everything just plugs in just like this. And of course I'm gonna have to take this plastic off of the bulb. I'm gonna do that right before I put it into the headlight. Want to make sure not to touch the bulb or have anything touch the bulb on there. And this plug right here is where it'll plug into the factory harness from the car. Let's go ahead, pop the hood open and start swapping in the bulbs. Alright, so the driver's side bulb is probably going to be the easiest one to show you guys. The low beam is going to be on the outside here, so just got to easily just turn it on out, and we'll bring it out here and unplug it. Real easily that came out. It has, at least this car, the Prelude, has a little tab or plastic that you turn to unlock the headlight bulb out. So here's the ballast and the bulb. The factory harness plugs in right here, and then we just put this bulb in, lock it in place, and then we'll worry about where we put these wires. Alright, so everything is plugged up. Now however you guys like, you can go ahead and mount this ballast. For now I'm going to just put it out on the side here next to the cruise control. Whenever I take off the bumper, I'm going to have it mounted behind the bumper. So that is tucked out of place. It's not going to wobble out and come and hit the belts or anything like that. Like I said, this is just temporary mounting until I could get it behind the bumper. Really, you don't want that ballast anywhere it's going to be like shaking or moving or just really getting wet and stuff. So make sure that it's mounted properly. Let's go ahead and tackle the passenger side. Headlight bulb locked in place. Now just plug it into the factory harness. So now everything's plugged up. Gonna just put this out of place next to the air box. Again, it's just some temporary mounting. That was real easy. HIDs are installed. Got the wiring tucked into there on the driver's side, and then the passenger side just ran it over here next to the air box. Again, you want to secure this so it's not bouncing around, moving around. It's going to flop around in the engine bay and just cause some accidental mishaps or cause your bulb to burn out, stuff like that. So make sure it gets properly mounted and put away. Real quick, I'm going to turn on the headlights. We should see them light on up, but I am going to have a before and after for you guys. So let's switch these on. There's the HIDs. Definitely matches a lot better with the LED here in the corner. And then we got the passenger side. Can't wait to see how it's going to look at night. Alright guys, so there it is, the HIDs from HID Nation. They do match very well with the LEDs I already put on the exterior from Super Bright LED. And as far as for driving with them at night, I've already drove with them for about 2 weeks. They light up the road very nice, very bright. And they have a cool white, kind of like a cool winter blue tint to them, and so it looks very nice. It's not exactly like a bright ultra white, it's like a maybe 2 steps above it on a cool white. I just wanted to make this review video for HID Nation. I know there's probably a couple hundred people, if not thousands of people already ordering their HIDs. Hopefully this video helps you guys out with ordering them. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below on the HIDs. As for this video guys, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one, player.